Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a project focused on AI that promises to be a major breakthrough in the near future. Best of all, it's completely free. This project has already raised an impressive $7.5 million in funding. Make sure to watch this video until the end to learn more details and find out how to participate in the project's airdrop. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on high-quality projects in the future. The project I want to introduce today is Pond. This project successfully raised $7.5 million in seed funding from investment funds such as Coinbase Ventures, Delphi Ventures, and several others. You can find more information on CryptoRank. So, what is Pond? Pond is a platform dedicated to developing foundational AI models for blockchain applications. It enables developers and non-technical users alike to propose and build AI models with the help of advanced technological infrastructure and strong community support. Notably, the Pond Point system incentivizes investors by rewarding points for positive contributions, such as suggesting ideas, participating in model development, and promoting the project on social media. This system not only ensures ownership for developers, but also allows them to benefit from their contributions. Users can earn points by voting on the best ideas, contributing to the creation of high-performance models. With Pond, anyone can join the AI revolution within the blockchain space easily and effectively. To participate in the project, you can follow the link provided in the video description. First, log in using your Gmail account. After successful registration, head to the Points Tasks tab under the Common section to complete basic tasks. Here, you simply need to update your profile and change your profile picture. Follow my steps. Okay, I've completed these tasks and earned a total of 40 points. Next, move on to the competition section, where you'll find plenty of tasks to earn more points. You can explore and complete these tasks on your own. I believe they won't be difficult for you. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions about the project, feel free to leave them in the comments section or join our community on Telegram for support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to receive updates on more high-quality projects in the near future. Thank you so much for watching.